Alright, I'm back with another video. Right now I'm standing on the track of the Finke Desert Race. The 2025 race begins tomorrow. So I've spent a couple of days in and around Alice Springs with Jake the last few days. And you'll probably hear a few cars rolling down past the camera here. We're parked and camped at the 40-kilometre mark of the racetrack. So I've got Ben here, who you would have seen in quite a few videos, and my twin brother Adam's here, and their wives are here, and I'm still out travelling with Jake, and tomorrow morning racing begins.
And I just wanna get out with my crew tonight and shoot at the lights. Got a couple 40s full of hops and fun, looking for a good time, gotta live it up. Leave behind the city, hop inside my truck. No, we don't give up. No, we don't give up. We're gonna paint the night red. Rolling holler till we...
Ripping day. Alright, day one, I think 2025. Myself and Ben are standing on the back of the ute.
Hey!
At the 40k mark. Adam's down the back here and Jake's gone for a walk up the road. So yeah, we're just having a quick look. Now, here comes a police car, service car, ripping past here. So they can't be too far away. Alright. Here comes the first car. There goes the first car, no dust. I reckon they're going to have a bit of dust lingering pretty soon. What do you reckon, Ben?
Crazy.
Not a breath of wind. So it's going to be a interesting further down too.
It is.
See that?
Another one.
Another one. Alright, we've left camp and walking up the track a bit, or down the track. bikes are on their way.
It's hotter than a blacktop in July, sweating like a sinner in a church, and I just wanna get out with my crew tonight and shoot at the lights. Got a couple 40s full of hops and fun, looking for a good time, gotta live it up. Leave behind the city, hop inside my truck. No, we don't give up.
So we've got a roast lamb on the fire there, as you would have seen. So we're about to get that off, and then some veggies, and then kick back by the fire tonight. Adam and Ben are heading over to Kings Creek, and myself and Jake are heading down towards Mount Dare tomorrow and get ready for the Simpson Desert crossing.
Drop it in the dirt.
Yeah. Who's getting it?
Ready?
Yeah. Go. Nice. How the veggies look.
Real good. Real good.
The dogs are going to be into that.
We're up to get down, saying, hey y'all, howdy, let's get rowdy tonight. These hands of mine have got some stories to tell. Seen parts of heaven and a whole lot of hell. Headed west to stake a claim in the ground. I got as far as Cripple Creek that night. I met a girl with golden hair and green eyes. Fell in love on the outskirts of town.
Good morning. So it is day 2 of the Fink. We're going to watch the first car coming through very shortly. Packing up camp, getting ready to head off a bit later, but the racing continues. Alright, I'll see you later, mate.
See you
Enjoy
later.
the rest of your trip.
Yep, safe travel.
See you, Joe. Alright, speak to you in a week.
Yes.
Alright, so the boys are headed off. They're making their way around the Kings Canyon. Myself and Jake are just slowly packing up. And we'll start heading south down to Mount Dare. Alright, so we've just got to a point where the road's closed. Here comes a buggy now. And then once this road's open, we can keep heading south. It's closed in a couple of spots. There's a big line heading north, so we're heading into traffic.
The lightning shows my weakness, the thunder knows my secrets. The storm is like a brother, it knows me like no other, so let it run.
Alright, so myself and Jacob pulled over just down from the 155. Right at the 155 mark on the track. Chopper's coming, bike's coming.
Let it roll, 'cause it's all I know. You can keep your calm and easy.
That's the first bike through.
And when the clouds roll in, it's like I'm home again.
Righto, so myself and Jake have left the others, as you would have seen. We've headed south down through Finke and we're on the way to Mount Dare. So that's the end of this video. So thanks so much for watching. We had an awesome time at Finke spectating at the desert race. If you've got any questions about it all, pop it down in the comments below and we'll see you all next time. Cheers.